excited to share with you one of my brand new Layle by Mail project kits. This one is called Going Places, and it is a travel themed album. It is using products from the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Traveler collection. So we'll take a quick look at the completed project, and then we'll look at the kit, the contents of the kit, and we'll go from there. All right, so one of the really fun things I'm using are these chipboard frames. So you'll see quite a few of those throughout the kit. We've got some really fun wired linen ribbon and a little luggage tag. And as we open up, this one, you guys, so many photos. This one holds up to 60 photos. And so it depends on if you were to put a 4x6 there or a 3x4 there. But that is room for a ton of photos. Now with this kit, it could either be a particular trip that you happen to take, or maybe this is just you want to document your travels over the years or a favorite couple of trips that you've done. Or this could also be a bucket list. This could be places that you'd like to go someday to travel to. So lots of different options there. So there's one of those little chipboard frames that we talked about. We're even cutting up some of the chipboard frames so they will fit in different places. I think that's always a fun way to look at things. Sometimes we get so stuck in our own kind of head on how we do things. So we're going to cut some things up, including pocket pages, to make some smaller sizes. Lots of little interactive elements. There are a couple of photo flips in here. Another interactive element for a little hidden photo there. 60 photos, you guys. There's a ton of product in this kit too. So we will very quickly get through the rest of the project, and then we'll take a look at the contents of the kit. I also want to mention that there are a number of stores where I'll be teaching this project in between now and June, and so I will include that information at the bottom of the video so you can see where this is available to take in person. But if you can't take it in person, then you can always order the kit by mail. This is, I thought would be really fun to add just memorabilia from your trip or trips. Okay, so when we talk about getting the kit by mail, this is what the kit comes with. So the kit comes with the green album, and in that green album, there are lots of, there are 10 pocket pages, there are chipboard dividers, there are colored pages and kind of office type looking pages. So lots of things already in the album, but let's take a look at what else is included in the kit besides the album. I should also mention the kits always include color step-by-step instructions. So you have everything that you need if you want to make the exact same project I did. So you have a yard of the ribbon. You have 2 different photo flips, some little twine, and that luggage tag. You have 8 sheets of 4x6 stickers. So lots of great stickers to work with. 267 stickers there. 6 of the chipboard frames, and we're going to use all of these in lots of different ways, but the chipboard frames are really fun, I think, to incorporate in an album like this. A full 6x8 paper pad. There are 24 double-sided papers. Let me quickly cut that open really quick so you can get a feel for some of those papers. Everything's double-sided, 2 sheets each of 12 different designs with the double side that gives you 24 patterns, so lots of options there. The Simple Vintage Traveler chipboard, there are 32 pieces of those. And then the 3x4 elements that are great for your pocket pages, the 4x6 elements that are also great for the pocket pages, and then another piece that we're using on the cover. And finally, a sheet of the 12x12 cardstock stickers. So that is the Going Places Layle by Mail kit, and watch below for information on ordering the kit by mail, as well as stores where I'll be teaching this spring and summer. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.